ever seen a $6 million Newport beach house before? Well, today you're gonna see one. Not only one, you're gonna see the one. This house has every feature. It's got Castle Hill beach access. It's right next to the golf course. This house is incredible. I can't wait to show it to you. Welcome to 4 Chartier Circle in Newport, Rhode Island. So if you're looking for an absolutely incredible Newport beach house, look no further. You're going to love the features we have in this house. From fireplaces to lighting fixtures, the ridiculously gorgeous kitchen, everything in here has been thoughtfully designed for you to enjoy your summers here in Newport. So I'm standing in what you would think would be the kitchen. I mean, look at how many cabinets there are in here. There's a fridge, we've got the countertops, a sink, but believe it or not, this is only the pantry closet. We've got a full featured kitchen right out here, which is really the center hub of this entire house. And the kitchen has all the things you would expect it to. High-end Wolf appliances, gold accents, everything you'd want in a gigantic, beautiful hood. But the coolest part about this kitchen, and really to me this house, is the lighting. The lighting features in this house are next level. Our designer Jill Gebhardt, she did an incredible job highlighting it. I mean, look at this. You've seen under shelf lighting before. You've seen under hood lighting before. Have you ever seen under cabinet lighting before? I mean, I'm walking the runway over here. It's just the coolest thing. These pendant lights, gigantic. Really great statement pieces for the kitchen. Look how beautiful they are. Really, I mean, just next level stuff. How about this chandelier in the dining room? I mean, does this thing not look like it belongs in a church from the 1700s? Look at the lighting feature over here in the living room. I mean, contemporary flair really brings it all together. The lighting features in this house are so next level. You are going to be impressed, I promise you. On the second floor, we've got 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, all en suite, finished beautifully. Showers, vanities, everything to match. Stepping into the primary suite, we've got a beautiful large space for a nice king bed. There is room for seating, all sorts of light coming in from these windows, especially from this double-doored terrace where you have a beautiful water view. His and her closets already finished with closet systems. And then a primary bathroom that's to die for. I mean, just think about sitting in this soaking tub in front of this window, enjoying the view of the water, all in this incredibly finished, I mean, the inset tile here, incredibly finished bathroom that you're going to enjoy. And just when you thought we were done, there is a 3rd floor, and the 3rd floor has another primary suite here, complete with a wet sink, a refrigerator, so you don't have to go back down to the kitchen. And whether you choose to use this as a primary suite or a killer entertaining game room, check out the views from the 3rd floor terrace. This is where you really see the water at its greatest. So this is it, a beautiful $6 million Newport, New England beach home, complete with access to Castle Hill Beach, a beautiful exclusive golf course, views all the way to New York. Where else could you find this but here at 4 Chartier Circle in Newport, Rhode Island?